Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create the PayPal business account that is having lot of benefits. I am going to tell you the benefits of PayPal business account. You can open the paypal.com and can create the PayPal business account, but first of all I am going to tell you the benefits of PayPal business account. See, once you will integrate the PayPal business account, it is helpful for sending and accepting payments from customers online. And You can able to integrate this PayPal payment method in your e-commerce website, and it will help you to receive the payments from your customers for your products online. So you can also withdraw money to your bank accounts. Once you will receive the payments from the customers, you can able to withdraw money in your bank accounts anytime. And PayPal also supports the automatic withdrawals every 24 hours. You can able to get your payments in your account automatically every 24 hours, and you can accept the payments in any currency world over. Okay, so it is really great when you are going to accept the international currency from your international customers. Okay, so see, the PayPal business account is having so many benefits, and it's free to create the PayPal business account, and you can use it for any of the purpose. Okay, so we are going to create the PayPal business account right now. Okay, so see, right now I am in India, so it is opening the Indian website. If you are in USA, then it will open your website. It will come here US. Okay, it will come like this US slash business. Okay, then you can see the US. See, it will automatically open in your country, and you need to create the business account because you want to accept payments. Okay, you want to accept payments, so that's why you need to create the business account and you need to sign up for the PayPal, okay, business account. You can see the two accounts there. See, individual account only can send payments, but you have to receive the payments as well in your e-commerce website, so that's why business account is must. Okay, so select business account option. Okay, and here see, it will ask if you are from India, it will ask this one. Otherwise its scenario is little bit different. Okay, but you will get help from this one like I am explaining you. So you need to select on website selling goods or services. Okay, if you are from India, it will show you this option. Okay, then you need to select this one, and then you can select the option of my annual sales volume, that how much sale volumes you are having currently having for your store. Then you can select this one and go to next, and in next there are few more options once again. And see, most of the options are common for all countries, so you will get help from this as well. So you need to enter your business account email. You need to enter your email, and it's really good if you have the business email. Okay, otherwise you can simply enter your email address here. With that email address, it is going to make your account. Okay, so make sure the email address is correct, because the confirmation email or something, some instruction will go in that email. Okay, so I am going to enter the dummy email like amit5000@yahoo.com, and that is the dummy email. That email does not exist, but I am just entering for testing purpose. Okay, so I am going to click on submit, and here you need to give the password. Okay, you can select your password whatever you want. Okay, and it must be really strong. Okay, so after clicking on submit, then it will ask you for business type. Okay, so in business type you have to select your option. If you are individual, if you don't have any registered business, means you are new to the business and you are alone and you are not having any registered company, then you must select individual. Okay, then you can select this option, and after that these options are common for all types. And if you have some private limited company and you want to make the website, okay, if you are the developer and you are going to make the website for some private company, then you need to select the corporation. Okay, so corporation is for the public companies, private limited companies. Okay, all type of companies will come under corporation. Okay, and if your company is the government related, then there is the option for that as well. If you are making the website for the government, okay, private limited companies will come under corporation, and there are other options as well if you want to select, but the most common option is individual, because our students, our developers, if just making the website for testing purpose, for learning purpose, then you can select the individual. Okay, the first option is the best option if you are if you just want to learn, if you just want to learn how to integrate PayPal in the website. Okay, so you can select this option, and if you will come here, then whatever you type, many options will come up here. Okay, then you can select the best option that suits you. Here you can select the clothing option, like we can select men, boys clothing. Okay, such kind of option we can select, because our website is having the clothes. Okay, you can see the our website is having garments. Okay, so we can select this product. You can select according to your own option. If your website is having other products like related to electronics, or see electrical, or some other utilities, then you can select that option. Okay, so our website, I'm going to add like family clothing store. This one I can also add. So here you can select one of the option, whatever best option is computer related services related to construction. Okay, no, and okay, other information services. So you can select your own option. See, export of goods, like I am making the e-commerce website where like I have done the shipping module as well, in which we have added all the countries, and we want to ship the orders to other countries as well. So this is the best option, cross-border shipment of goods and services. Okay, so this is the best option for the clothing website, that if you want to sell the products abroad as well. Okay, then here your personal PAN will come. Okay, if you are individual, if you are having some company, PAN is always there. Permanent permanent PAN, full form of PAN is permanent what is the full form of PAN? Full form, oh, I can forget this full form. And this is the permanent account number. Okay, permanent account number. Okay, so you have to fill this number, otherwise you can't able to create your account. Okay, so there is no issue, you can fill. Even if you are going to test, you can fill your personal PAN number. Okay, then if you are making the website for the client, then you need to fill the client PAN number. Okay, and if you are just doing this for testing, then you can fill your own personal PAN number. And then here your name will come, name. See, you are going to use the debit or credit card or the bank in the PayPal account, because see, whenever customer is going to purchase something from your website, that amount will get transferred in your bank account. Okay, through your debit card, through your credit card, or the bank itself. So that's why you are going to add your bank, add your debit card, add your credit card in PayPal account. After making the PayPal account, you are going to attach your debit credit card in with your PayPal account. So that's why your name is required here. Your name will come, like my name is Amit Gupta, and I have the same name in my bank account. So the name must be same with your bank account as well. So your name will come up here. Okay, so don't give any other name, otherwise you can't able to add your card here if your name will not match. Then here you can give your business URL. It's optional. If you are having the business URL, then you can give your business URL here. Okay, so see, I can't do account because I am already having the PayPal account, that I will show you after logging that the options of PayPal in upcoming videos. But in this video we are going to start integrating PayPal in our website. Okay, so see, I don't have I can't make the another account because I am already having. So you can assume that you can create, just click on submit, then your account will get created. Okay, so let's start integrating the PayPal payment gateway in our e-commerce website. So if you want to integrate the PayPal for your website, then please watch the next video. Thank you.